Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. And today what we're doing is a little product empty time. When I get about 10 products or so in my bin, I like to jump on really quick and let you know, would I repurchase or would I not? Let's save each other a little bit of money and let's help each other stop buying junk. Just saying. Something that absolutely is not junk is what I have on my eyes today. It is the Natasha Denona Cupid palette. It did come out in a BoxyCharm a couple months ago. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. And if you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do giveaways a lot. I do giveaways from each of my unboxings. And I've got a big eyeshadow palette coming up the 1st of June. Make sure you're on the lookout for that as well. Let me know how you guys are doing. You can always comment down below or over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Or you can chat with me on Twitter. It's that same, BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. So let's dive in here really quick. What I repurchase? There's a lot that I would repurchase. There's a couple that I wouldn't. First off, absolute staple in my routine. And this is kind of more of a body thing, but this is the Olay Ultra Moisture Body Wash. It has shea butter, vitamin B3, B5, and E. I get these like in a packet at Costco. I think there's like 3 of them. Absolutely love this. Helps my skin stay very moisturized, which I need because I'm a drier type of girl. So definitely getting more of this. Product that I really did like is from Glow Recipe. It is their avocado melt retinol sleeping mask. Absolutely love this. Definitely getting another one of these. Speaking of face mask, one that did not work out for me is the Origins Original Scent Retexturizing Mask with rose clay. It was just too harsh on my skin, dried my skin out too much. I always love lip oils this time of year. One that I really enjoyed was from Wander Beauty. It is their Lip Retreat Oil. Loved it. This is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. This works wonders on my skin. I will use this every morning before I put on. I use it every day, morning and night, but I will use it religiously every morning before I put on makeup. This is the only moisturizer that I have found that works for my dry skin that doesn't react in a negative way towards makeup. So absolutely love this underneath makeup. And have purchased many of these. Another Clinique one is the Liquid Facial Soap Mild. Use this guy up. Love it. I use this as my second step. I do a makeup remover oil base as my first step, and then that as my second step in the evenings when I take off my makeup. Speaking of taking off the makeup, from Clinique is Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. I'll put a little bit of this on a cotton swab, kind of swish it around just a little bit, and it does an amazing job of getting all that makeup off and stubborn mascara off, even the waterproof ones as well, and it works great for the lips as well. Have purchased another one of these. One that just didn't work out for me is the IBY Liquid Lip. Looks like this. Here's what she looks like. It was not a flattering shade for me. I don't always wear a primer underneath my makeup because sometimes I find that they work well, other times it looks all spotchy and just don't. And one that worked well is from Smashbox. It is their Photo Finish Primer. Love this. Another one that I do love is from Sol de Janeiro. It is their Brazilian Bum Bum. Absolutely love this. I love the smell. Oh, it makes me want to sit on a beach right now. Have a little daiquiri. Love that. Definitely getting more of that. That I have used up, and I actually just pulled a new one out today, is the Benefit Gimme Brow. It just, obviously my hair is starting to turn a little gray, and so are some of the eyebrows. So it just kind of helps, A, keep them in place, and B, give them a little color. So definitely gotten more of these. So like I said, just want to jump on really quick, let you know what I repurchased, what I not. Hopefully we can save each other some money in the process. I hope that you guys are having a fabulous rest of your day. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye.